Hello and welcome back to the Curious Kiwis. Today's video is a very special one. It is part one of Paul's birthday mini-series for 2019. So excuse my appearance, I am currently getting ready for work, but I just had a thought to film Paul's birthday present gift giving and experience and make it into a little two-part series for this channel. Yeah, I'm going to give you a backstory. So in 2017 we went to Florida and we went to Crystal River and we swam with manatees. So I took him swimming with the manatees in Florida and he ended up absolutely loving it. And then of course, as you know, we went to Fiji for a honeymoon like about a month ago now. He just was in love with snorkeling and I really loved him being so passionate about that. His birthday is coming up in March and I thought, okay, well, he loves snorkeling and there wasn't really anything in particular that he wanted for his birthday. As you can see from our Fiji highlights video, we got a lot of good footage out of the water, but we didn't get any footage in the water. So I was thinking, obviously because we're starting our channel and we're getting a couple more subscribers now, I thought that for his birthday it would be a good idea to get him a GoPro. And it is a little bit of money, but I thought it was a good investment for him because then he could obviously keep those memories of snorkeling, we could keep those memories of snorkeling, it makes for some great footage. And for this channel, every time we go on a trip we make a holiday video for ourselves for the future just to watch, and I thought it would be great for that. That is the plan. Yesterday I bought him a GoPro White and I'm keeping this a secret from him. He doesn't know yet, he knows I'm getting him something and of course he's seen the money go off the bank account. So I'm going to make this a two-part series. The first part is going to be all the behind the scenes about that, and then the second part is going to be the actual trips. So yeah, the first part, a few days, probably about a week before we go on the trip part of the holiday, I'm going to give him the GoPro present. I'm going to give it to him in three parts. I'm going to give him the SD card first, and then I'm going to give him the GoPro kit, and he's going to be like, oh my god, GoPro! And then I'm going to give him the GoPro. But I'm going to do this all about a week in advance because that's not his actual present, it's part of his present. The second part of the present, I'm actually going to take him on a trip to Goat Island, which is about, I think, an hour and a quarter north of Auckland, and we're going to go snorkeling for the day. So yeah, I'm super excited. The whole trip part of the day, I'm just going to pick a random day when the weather is good. I'm going to say, alright, I'm going to pack a bag for him so he doesn't know. I'm going to put it in the car and I'm just going to drive and I'm not going to tell him where we're going. And yeah, I think he's going to be thrilled with it. So yeah, that's the backstory of it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this two-part series. If you do, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. So, in regards to buying the GoPro, I have done hours and hours of research about GoPros. I've decided to go with the GoPro Hero 7 White because there's the white, the silver, and the black. I believe it's the latest line on the market, but it's the budget range of the latest one on the market, if that makes any sense. A shop here in New Zealand called Torpedo 7 is actually having a sale on them at the moment, which is fantastic, and it has it about $35 cheaper than anywhere else in New Zealand. So for delivery it says 1 to 2 business days. I ordered it this time yesterday. Today is the 26th, so it should come either sometime today or sometime tomorrow. It was free delivery, so not only was it $35 cheaper than anywhere else, it was also free delivery, so that is on its way. So yesterday, after I ordered that, I went to Heavy Tech, which is like Harvey Norman and Lemmings, and I bought an SD card. The SD card I bought was this one. It's the Samsung 64 gig micro SD. And then the next thing I'm going to purchase at some point for him is the GoPro kit. So this is the kit I'm going to get him here. It's the GoPro Adventure Kit, and it comes with the case, the little floaty handle, another different mount, and the head mount. I'm going to wrap it in the most girly paper I can find. So there we have it, part 1 has been wrapped and I'm going to write on the front of it, Paul's present part 1. So yeah, I'm going to come back to you when the GoPro shows up or when I purchase the kit. If you hear me talking to myself, don't worry. Okay. So today is 2 days after I purchased it, so that was pretty quick. shipping wise. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Here it is, and it's glory. I'm even excited for it. Don't worry, I did not pay the price that is on the box for it. Definitely not. I'm a bargain hunter. Okay, so it's all wrapped up now, so I'm going to give it to him probably next Wednesday, so in exactly a week, on the 6th of March. So I just need to get part 2 of the present. You know what it is, with the finger. I'm going to start finding a good day for the other part. I'm going to pop that in his box and then go get part 2 of his present. Okay, welcome back. Today is the 28th of February and today I'm going to purchase part 2 of his present. I still can't talk too loud because he's just doing some gardening outside. However, I'm going to purchase it now and get it shipped and hopefully it will be here soon. Okay, so the order has officially been placed for the kit. I can't wait for it to arrive. I think it's such a good bargain. And it says it should be delivered between the 3rd and 5th of March. So that's great because I want to give it to him on the 6th of March, but it can be a couple days after that, so it's fine. So I will come back to you when it has been delivered. Okay, I've just gotten home from work. Today is the 4th of February, and his package arrived, so I'm going to open it up now. I love opening packages, and it's not even for me. Ooh, there we go, dun dun. There we have it. Pretty cool, actually. Oh well, I'm going to have to wait a couple of days to have a look inside, but for now I'm going to go wrap it up. Okay, so there we have it. That is Paul's, well, the first part of Paul's present. I've been checking the weather forecast. The weather has been looking pretty good to go snorkeling in Good Island. I'm super excited to take him. I can't wait. So yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday.
Bring it on, woman.
So you guys know what it is.
I don't know what it is. I have really no idea.
But he's about to find out what it is. By the way, I'm giving it to him 2 days earlier.
If it's my present, am I not supposed to open it?
Well, no, because, as I've already explained to these people, I'm going to give it to you in 3 parts. Okay, ready for part 1? Come on, open it!
It is.
What is it? You're so confused. He has no idea.
But but this is a very special memory card.
It is.
Part 2.
Okay, this part is going to give away what part 3 is. So are you ready?
I think I know what it is.
No, what do you think it is?
I think it's a camera bag. It's blue.
Ooh!
Now I know what that is for, and this is this is gonna be awesome. I knew it because you know she brought in.
Yeah, I can't hide that.
Oh, it's the one with the screen.
Happy birthday.
It's nice. Oh,
but there's
I thought there was
second
another
part.
present, like we're gonna go now. We're gonna get into the plane. I'm gonna fly to Fiji so we can.
You're gonna be poorly disappointed.
Sydney would do.
It's not overseas, buddy.
Auckland Harbour will do. Manukau Harbour even.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button, push the notification bell.
I liked it.
And look forward to new videos coming soon. The next video will be me revealing to him where we are going. And you're not going to know until we get there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.